Nigeria's wealthiest governors come from diverse backgrounds, including banking, businesses, politics, amassing fortune through private ventures and public services. Some of these governors has had a successful career before assuming offices, leveraging their expertise in finance, oil and gas, and governance. Today, we are going to be giving you an insight on the current richest governors in Nigeria in 2025 at the moment. If you're new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Number 20, we have the governor of Cross River State, and is called Basi Otu. Basi Otu was born on October 18, 1959 in Calabar, Cross River State, and is a Nigerian politician and a businessman. Before entering politics, he had a successful career in private sector, particularly in the petroleum industry. He served as the managing director of several companies, including the Baseg and Company Nigeria Limited and the Baseg Marine Limited, which is involved in petroleum products, marketing, and marine services. His ventures into this sector contributed significantly to his wealth, and Otu transitioned into politics and was elected as a member of the House of Representatives representing the Calabar Odunkani Federal Constituency from 2003 to 2011. He later served as the senator for Cross River Senatorial District from 2011 to 2015. In 2023, he was elected as the governor of Cross River State and is still in office up till now. He has a net worth of 4.5 million US dollars. Number 19, we have Usman Ododo. Usman Ododo is the governor of Kogi State, and he was born in May 12, 1972 in Kogi State. He is an engineer, a politician, and he earned a degree in electrical engineering from the Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. Before venturing into politics, Ododo worked with Nigeria's National Petroleum Corporation, which is the NNPC, as an engineer, where he gained substantial experience in the oil and gas sector. He later founded the Ododo Engineering Services, a firm which specializes in electrical installations and maintenance, which contributed to his financial success. Ododo entered politics and was appointed as the Commissioner for Works and Housing in Kogi State, where he oversaw various infrastructural projects. In 2023, he was elected as the governor of Kogi State, and he has a net worth of 6.8 million US dollars. Number 18, we have Monday Okpebholo. Monday Okpebholo right now is the governor of Edo State, in case you don't know, and he was born on August 15, 1965 in Uromi, Edo State. He is a Nigerian businessman, a politician, and he holds a degree in business administration from the University of Benin, which is called Uniben. Okpebholo is the founder and the CEO of Monday Group of Companies, which has interest in construction, real estate, agriculture, and his companies has handled numerous governmental contracts, particularly roads in construction, houses projects, significantly contributing to his wealth. He ventured into politics and was elected as a senator representing Edo Central Senatorial District from 2019 to 2023. In 2024, he was elected as the governor of Edo State and has a net worth of 8 million US dollars. Number 17, we have Abdulrahman Abdulrazik. He is the governor of Kwara State. Abdulrahman Abdulrazik was born in February 5, 1960 in Zaria, Kaduna State, and is a Nigerian businessman and a politician. He comes from a prominent family. His family, which is the Alhaji AGF Abdulazik, was Nigeria's first lawyer in the northern region. You see, these guys were also booming before coming into politics, and this is why their wealth has contributed a lot and their net worth has increased a lot. Abdulrazik ventured into oil and gas industry, founding the First Fuel Limited, a company which involved in the marketing and distribution of petroleum products. He later established the Nigerian Mining Corporation, focusing on solid mineral exploration. His business endeavors expanded into real estate and agriculture, contributing to his substantial net worth. In 2019, he was elected as the governor of Kwara State and was re-elected in 2023 with a net worth of 13.6 million US dollars. Number 16, we have Caleb Mutfwag, which is the governor of Plateau State. Caleb Mutfwag was born on March 12, 1965 in Mongu, Plateau State, and is a Nigerian lawyer and a politician. He obtained his law degree from the University of Jos and was later called to the Nigerian bar in 1988. Mutfwag worked with several law firms before establishing his own practice, which is the Mutfwag & Co., specializing in corporate laws and property consultancy. His legacy practice attracted a high-profile client, including multinational corporations and and government agency contributing to his wealth. He served as a chairman of Mango local government area from 2014 to 2015, and later he was elected as the governor of Plateau State. He currently has a net worth of 15.5 million US dollars. Number 15, we have Doye Diri. Doyo Diri is the governor of Bayelsa State and was born on June 4th, 1959 in Bayelsa State. He is a Nigerian politician and an educator. He earned a bachelor's degree in political science from the University of Port Harcourt before his political career. Diri worked as a teacher and then later ventured into the private sector, establishing companies in education and hospitality industry. He founded the Diri Educational Services, which operates a chain of private schools in the Niger Delta region, and invested in hotels, tourism, which significantly increased his own net worth. Diri served as a member of the House of Representatives from 2015 to 2019 as a senator representing Bayelsa Senatorial District in 2019. He also became the governor of Bayelsa State and was later re-elected in 2024, and he has a net worth of 30 million US dollars. Number 14, we have Bala Mohammed. He is the governor of Bauchi State and was born on October 5th in Bauchi State. He is a Nigerian politician, a journalist, and he obtained a bachelor's degree in English from the University of Maiduguri. Mohammed began his career as a journalist with Democrat newspaper and later worked with the African International News magazine. He transitioned into public services, serving as the Director of Information in Federal Ministry of Solid Minerals and later as the Senior Special Assistant to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, which is FCT. In 2007, he was elected as a senator representing Bauchi South Senatorial District. He was appointed as the Minister of the FCT in 2010, where he also oversaw a large, significant infrastructural development and land allocation, which bolstered his net worth. His current net worth is 38 million US dollars. Number 13, we have Obasani. He is the governor of Kaduna State. Obasani was born on December 31st, 1970 in Kaduna State. He is a Nigerian engineer and a politician. He holds a degree in mechanical engineering from Ahmadu Bello University before venturing into politics. Sani also worked in the private sector, focusing on engineering projects and consultancy services. He founded a successful engineering firm that handled various contracts in construction and energy sectors, contributing significantly to his wealth. Sani served as the special advisor on public affairs to President Olusegun Obasanjo and later as a senator representing Kaduna Central Senatorial District from 2019 to 2023. He was later elected as the governor of Kaduna State, and right now he has a net worth of 45 million US dollars. Number 12, we have Dada Lawal. Dada Lawal was born in September 2nd, 1965 in Zamfara State and is currently the governor of Zamfara State. He is a banker and a politician. He obtained a bachelor's degree in political science from Ahmadu Bello University and a master's degree in political science and international relations from the same institution. Lawal had a distinguished career in banking, culminating in his role as the executive director, the public sector north at the First Bank of Nigeria. His extensive experience in the financial sector and strategic investment in real estate and agriculture has significantly contributed to his net worth. In 2023, I think he was later elected as the governor of Zamfara State, and he has a net worth of 53.2 million US dollars. Number 11, we have Mohammed Umar Bago. Mohammed Umar Bago is the governor of Niger State and was born on February 22, 1974 in Niger State. He is a Nigerian banker and a politician. He earned a bachelor's degree in political science from the Usman Danfodio University in Sokoto and a master's degree in business administration from Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma. Before his political career, Bago worked in the banking sector, holding various positions at the United Bank of Africa, which is the UBA, the First City Monument Bank, which is the FCMB, and the AfriBank. His successful banking career and investment in the financial services industry has contributed to his substantial net worth. He served as a member of the House of Representatives representing the Chakanga Federal Constituency from 2011 to 2023. He was later elected as the governor of Niger State, and right now he has a net worth of 69.8 million US dollars. Number 10, we have Sheriff Oborevori of Delta State. He is currently the governor of Delta State and was born on June 19, 1963. He holds a bachelor's degree in political science from Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, and a master's degree in public administration from Delta State University, which is Abraka. Before moving to politics, Obovori was involved in the transportation sector owning a fleet of vehicles operating in the oil-rich Niger Delta region. He also invested in real estate, owning several properties across the state. His business ventures have significantly contributed to his wealth, and Obovere moved to politics into the House of Assembly from 2017 to 2023 also increased his net worth. And right now is the governor of Delta State, and he has a net worth of 87.2 million US dollars. Number 9, we have Chukwuma Charles Soludo. Chukwuma Charles Soludo was born on July 28, 1960 in Anambra State, and is a Nigerian economist and a professor. He obtained a first-class honor degree in economics from the University of Nigeria, which is Nsukka, and later earned his PhD in economics in the same institution. Soludo gained international recognition as a consultant for various organizations, including the World Bank, the United Nations, and the African Development Bank. He served as the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria from 2004 to 2009, where he implemented significant banking sector reforms. After his tenure at the CBN, Soludo established an economic consultancy firm and invested in the banking and financial services sector, contributing to a substantial net worth. In 2021, he was elected as the governor of Anambra State, and he has a net worth of 93 million US dollars. Number 8, we have Hope Uzundima. He is the governor of Imo State and was born on December 12, 1958 in Imo State. He is a Nigerian politician and was a businessman. He holds a bachelor's degree in international studies and diplomacy from the Washington University. Before his political career, Uzundima was involved in maritime industry, serving as a managing director of the Niger Globe Engineering and Technical Company Limited, which provided services in dredging, shipbuilding, and marine logistics. He also invested in real estate and oil and gas, which significantly contributed to his wealth. Uzundima served as a senator representing the Imo West Senatorial District from 2011 to 2019. In 2020, he also became the governor of Imo State and was re-elected in 2024, having a net worth of 108 million US dollars. Number 7, we have Seyi Makinde, who is the current governor of Oyo State. Seyi Makinde was born on December 25th on Christmas Day. He is a Nigerian businessman and engineer, and he earned a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from the University of Lagos, and later attended various international institutions for further studies, including the Massachusetts Institution of Technology and the Lagos Business School. Makinde founded the Macon Group Limited, an oil and gas company specializing in engineering, procurement, and construction services. His company secured contracts with major oil firms, significantly contributing to his wealth. In 2019, he was elected as the governor of Oyo State and was re-elected in 2023 with a net worth of 126 million US dollars. Number 6, we have Peter Umba, which is the governor of Enugu State. Peter Umba was born in March 17, 1972 in Enugu State, and is a maritime lawyer, an entrepreneur, and also a politician, currently serving as the governor of Enugu State since May 29, 2023. He studied law at the University of East London, later earning a master's in maritime and commercial law from the Lagos State University. His business career began in 1992 with Peter Umba Investment Limited, followed by the Gilpel Industry Limited and the Focus International Schools. He later founded the Pinnacle Oil and Gas Limited in 2004, which became a major player in Nigerian oil and gas industry. He won the PDP governorship tickets in 2022 and was elected in 2023. He has a net worth of 124 million US dollars. Number 5, we have Alex Oti. Alex Oti right now is the governor of Abia State and was born on February 18, 1965 in Abia State. He is a Nigerian, an economist, a banker, and a politician. He earned a first-class honor degree in economics from the University of Port Harcourt and an MBA from the University of Lagos. Oti's banking career spanned several institutions, including Nigerian International Bank, United Bank of Africa, and First Bank of Nigeria. He rose to prominence as the group managing director and the CEO of Diamond Bank PLC, where he implemented transformative strategies that significantly enhanced the bank performances. His investment in banking, real estate, and agriculture have substantially contributed to his wealth. And in 2023, he was elected as the governor of Abia State, and he has a net worth of 165 million US dollars. Number 4, we have Nuruddin Ademola Adeleke. Nuruddin Ademola Adeleke is the governor of Osun State, and he was born in May 13, 1960. He is a Nigerian politician and a businessman. He attended the Jacksonville State University in Alabama, USA, where he studied criminal justice and political science. Before entering into politics, Adeleke was involved in the business sector, particularly in the USA, where he worked with the Quicksilver Courier Company and later ventured into entertainment industry. He is a member of the prominent Adeleke family and the uncle to the popular musician Davido. Adeleke's investment in real estate, entertainment, and manufacturing has significantly contributed to his net worth. He served as a senator representing Osun West Senatorial District from 2017 to 2019 and was later elected as the governor of Osun State. He has a net worth of 184 million US dollars. Number 3, we have the governor of Rivers State, and this is Siminalayi Fabura. Siminalayi Fabura was born on January 28, 1975 in Rivers State. He is a Nigerian accountant and a politician. He holds a bachelor's degree in accountancy from the Rivers State University of Science and Technology. Fabura had a distinguished career in the civil service, culminating his role as the Accountant General of Rivers State, where he managed the state's finances and implemented fiscal policies. His investment in finance, real estate, and oil and gas sector has significantly contributed to his wealth. Later on, he was elected as the governor of Rivers State up till now and has a net worth of 196 million US dollars. Number 2, we have Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State. He is currently the governor of Lagos State and was born on June 25, 1965 in Lagos, Nigeria. He is a politician and a businessman, and he earned a bachelor's degree in surveying and geoinformatics from the University of Lagos and an MBA from the Lagos Business School. Sanwo-Olu's career spans both the private and the public sector. He held various managerial positions at the Lead Merchant Bank, United Bank of Africa, and the First Atlantic Bank. In the public sector, he served as a commissioner for commerce and industry. He also was a commissioner for budget and planning and the commissioner for establishment, training, and pension in Lagos State. His investment in banking, real estate, and manufacturing have substantially contributed to his very great net worth, and Sanwo-Olu was elected as the governor of Lagos State in 2019 and later re-elected. He currently is the governor of Lagos State and has a net worth of 209 million US dollars. And number 1, we have Dapo Abiodun. Dapo Abiodun right now is the richest governor in Nigeria and is the governor of Ogun State. He was born on May 29, 1960. He holds a bachelor's degree in accounting from the Georgia State University, United States. And Abiodun is the founder and the CEO of the Hayden Petroleum Limited, which is a leading indigenous oil and gas company in Nigeria. He also served as the chairman of the Corporate Affairs Commission. His extensive investment in the oil and gas sector, real estate, and banking have significantly contributed to his substantial net worth. He was elected as the governor of Ogun State in 2019 and later re-elected. He currently has a net worth of 340 million US dollars. These governors have leveraged their diverse professional backgrounds and business acumens to amass significant wealth prior to their political careers. So it's not just politics that gave them this amount and this such net worth. They also had been doing businesses, and some of them were first-class degrees holders and have gone to school to achieve various degrees. Their contribution spans various sectors, including banking, oil, gas, real estate, and entertainment, reflecting the multifaceted nature of the economic development in Nigeria. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.